Okay, so a quick video on VLOOKUP. I've just pulled this data set down off the internet, so it's a bit random. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns, and we have 44 rows. So basically the rule is, if we've more rows than columns, so we've 44 against 7, the chances are we're going to be using a VLOOKUP. Okay, we're trying to create something in terms of search criteria, and the search criteria we're going to use is order, O-R-D, order number. So somebody will ring up, give me an order number, and I want to find out which item that is. Okay, so obviously this is a slightly different way we've done it before, and I'll correct that now in the second phrase. So there's our order number. I'm going to get rid of that. So what should happen is, we're looking to code. We know we're doing a VLOOKUP. Why? Because there's more rows than there is columns. What's the lookup value? Well, the lookup value is going to be the search criteria here or anywhere else. So in this particular case, it's I3, comma. I'm doing it slightly different than you guys have done it before. I'm actually going to set the range, which in this, what that means is I'm setting the range for this first box here, which is A2, colon to G, which is obviously here, and to the last box, and the last box happens to be 44. I just looked it up, comma. And in terms of VLOOKUP, what do I want to find? Well, I want to find the item description, and that happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fourth row. So we put in number 4. If I close it, and 2102, so that should be, oh no, that won't work for us. So you might see an NA. Well, it gives us an error. Well, that's because a date generates an error. So I'm going to put that number in, and that number is 34021. So 34021 is a desk. Now, let's hope that wasn't just pure and utter fluke, and let's put in 34027. So 34027, and I should expect, hopefully, the word pencil. Yay! So that works for us. So that's a quick rendition of VLOOKUP. And now I'm going to try and do it as you guys have done it. So this is a little bit of a continuation, insofar as that we've done it on separate sheets. So in that case, we'd rename the sheet here, and we'll call this orders. And so that's that sheet called orders. I'd get rid of this here, and in the second sheet I would call that something like order. I'd rename that and call that search. And in the search, I want to put in the order number, or the order the order number, which is there. And in here, I want to put in the description. The description. Okay, and I can pull that from this other page here. So if I have an order number of 34030, or an order number of 34021, we're looking for an automated way of finding what that description is. So again, it's straightforward enough. I'm going to do it slightly different. I'm going to now name the data source, which is the way you've been doing it. I highlight the data, everything bar the headings, and I'm going to give it a cool name like order, O-R-D-E-R, and press enter. So this whole section now is called order, and I can pull that in a formula in this by going equals VLOOKUP. What am I searching? Well, I want to search this box here, comma. What am I looking? And I'm using the data set order, comma. And where do I want to find the answer? In column number 4. Press enter, and I hopefully should get an answer. Binder, cool. And if I copy it down, I get desk. That's it. Thanks a million. Bye bye.